Now we will solve questions from practice set 5.1. Question number 1. Diagonals of a parallelogram WXYZ intersect each other at point O. If angle XYZ is equal to 135 degree, then what is the measure of angle XWZ and angle YZW? If length OY is equal to 5 cm, then find length WY. So what is given? Diagonals of a parallelogram WXYZ. Here quadrilateral WXYZ is a parallelogram. It is given. And diagonals, here diagonals are XZ and WY are diagonals of quadrilateral WXYZ. So both diagonals intersect at point O. And angle XYZ is given 135 degree. XYZ, this angle XYZ is given 135 degree. You have to find out the measure of angle XWZ. Angle XWZ. What is the relation between these two angles? Opposite angles, and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. And you have to find out angle YZW. You have to find out angle YZW. What is the relation between these two angles of a parallelogram? Adjacent angles, and we know adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Now start. What is given? Quadrilateral WXYZ is a parallelogram. WY and XZ are diagonals of a parallelogram. They intersect at point O. So quadrilateral WXYZ is a parallelogram given. Angle XYZ is congruent to angle XWZ. Angle XYZ is congruent to angle XWZ. Why? Because opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. But angle XYZ is given 135 degree. But angle XYZ is given 135 degree. Therefore, angle XWZ is also 135 degree because both angles are congruent. So, angle XYZ equal to 135 degree. Therefore, angle XWZ is also 135 degree. Next is angle YZW plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degree. Angle YZW plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So angle YZW plus angle XYZ equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle YZW plus substitute value of angle XYZ is 135 degree. So substitute here 135 equal to 180 degree. So angle YZW is equal to 180 minus 135. Therefore, angle YZW is equal to 45 degree. Measure of angle YZW is equal to 45 degree. Now next you have to find out. It is given length OY is given 5 cm. Length OY is 5 cm and WY is the diagonal. We know diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, length OY is half of length WY. Length OY is half of length WY. Reason is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, length OY is half of length WY. Reason is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. But length OY is given 5 cm. So, substitute here 5 cm. So, 5 equal to half of WY. Half of length WY. So, therefore, length WY is equal to 5 into 2. Length WY is equal to 5 into 2 means 10 cm. Therefore, length WY is equal to 10 cm. Now, question number 2. In a parallelogram ABCD, if angle A is equal to 3x plus 12 degree, angle B is equal to 2x minus 32 degree, then find the value of x, then find the measure of angle C and D. One quadrilateral is given, ABCD is a parallelogram given, and measure of angle A is given 3x plus 12 degree and measure of angle B is given 2x minus 32 degree. Now what is the relation between A and B? They are adjacent angles, and we know adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. Therefore angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. But angle A is given 3x plus 12 degrees. So substitute here 3x plus 12 plus angle B is given 2x minus 32 degrees. So substitute here 2x minus 32 degree equal to 180 degree equal to 180 degree. Now open this bracket. 3x plus 2x is 5x and 12 minus 32 is minus 20. So 5x minus 20 is equal to 180 degree. Now 5x equal to 180 plus 20. 5x equal to 180 plus 20. Therefore 5x equal to 180 plus 20 is 200. 5x is equal to 200. Therefore x is equal to 200 upon 5. 200 divided by 5, that is 40. Therefore the value of x is 40 degree. But here you have to find out measure of angle C and D. You have to find out measure of angle C and D. So angle A is given 3x plus 12 degree. What is the value of x? The value of x is 40. So substitute here 40 means 3 into 40. 3x means 3 into 40 plus 12. Now 3 into 40 is 120. So 120 plus 12. Therefore angle A is equal to 132 degree. 120 plus 12 is 132 degree. So angle A is equal to 132 degree. And angle B is given 2x minus 32. Again substitute the value of x here. Means 2x means 2 into x. So equal to 2 into 40. The value of x is 40. 2 into 40 minus 32. So 2 into 40 is 80. So therefore 80 minus 32. And 80 minus 32 is 48 degree. Therefore angle B is equal to 48 degree. Therefore angle C is equal to angle A and angle D is equal to angle B. Reason is opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Angle C is equal to angle A and angle D is equal to angle B because opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So measure of angle is 132 degree. Therefore angle C is also equal to 132 degree. Measure of angle B is 48 degree. Therefore measure of angle D is also 48 degree. So angle C is equal to 132 degree and angle D is equal to 48 degree. Now question number 3. Perimeter of a parallelogram is 150 cm. One of its sides is greater than the other side by 25 cm. Find lengths of all sides. Perimeter means sum of length of all sides. So perimeter of a parallelogram is 150 cm. ABCD is a parallelogram and perimeter of this parallelogram ABCD is given 150 cm. One of its side is greater than the other by 25 cm. So let length of one side be x centimeter. So other side is greater than first side by 25. So second side is x plus 25. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD is given 150 centimeter. Let BC equal to x. Let BC is equal to x centimeter. Therefore AB is equal to x plus 25 centimeter. Length of other side. One of his side is greater than the other side by 25. If this is x means this side is x plus 25. So AB is equal to x plus 25. But AB is equal to CD. But AB is equal to CD. And BC is equal to AD because opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So CD is also equal to x plus 25 centimeter. Therefore this CD is also equal to x plus 25 centimeter. And AD is equal to x centimeter. And AD is equal to x centimeter. AD is equal to x centimeter. But perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Perimeter of parallelogram ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Now substitute all values. Perimeter of a quadrilateral ABCD is given 150. So substitute here 150 equal to AB is x plus BC is 25 plus x. So substitute here 25 plus x. Your AB is x plus 25. Sorry. Your AB is x plus 25. So substitute here x plus 25. BC is x. So substitute here x. Again CD is x plus 25. Substitute here x plus 25. AD is x. So substitute here x. So 150 equal to x plus 25 plus x plus x plus 25 plus x. Now 25 plus 25 is 50. So simple transposition, 150 minus 50. 150 minus 50 equal to x plus x is 2x plus x 3x plus x 4x equal to 4x. Now 150 minus 50 is 100. So 100 is equal to 4x. Therefore 100 upon 4. 100 upon 4 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 25. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Therefore x is equal to 25. But what is x? AB is equal to CD is equal to x plus 25 is equal to x plus 25 means, but the value of x is 25. So 25 plus 25 equal to 50 centimeter. So AB equal to CD is 50 centimeter and BC equal to AD is x and BC equal to AD is equal to x. Therefore BC equal to AD equal to x equal to 25 centimeter.